Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ranika. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. Today I'm going to be making for you guys an Easter bun. Yeah, Easter bun. And if you're not new here, thanks for watching. If you have not watched my previous video as yet, please go ahead and check that out. I did oven jerk drumstick and it came out really well, guys, so please go ahead and check that out for me. And I would like to say thanks to everybody who has been supporting me. Thanks to everybody who have joined to watch my videos. And I'll be coming with new videos for you guys this week. So now we're going to make our Easter bun. So guys, here's our ingredients that we're going to use today. We're going to use some eggs, 2 eggs, some lime zest. We're going to use baking powder. We're going to use some browning. We're going to use some vanilla, some molasses, raisins, some honey, some butter, some fruits, fresh fruits. We're going to use brown sugar. We're also going to use some spices. We're going to use cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, salt, allspice, and ginger powder. We're also going to use some flour, and we're going to use dragon, and we're going to use some jam. So this is our pan. You're going to set on your pan on low flame. You're going to pour a bottle of dragon, Guinness stout, Malta, whichever one you want to use. Now we're going to add our cup of sugar. Then we're going to give that a stir. Next we're going to add our vanilla. Now we're going to add our molasses. Then browning. Now we gotta add some honey and then some butter. Next we're going to add our jam. You can use guava, but I'm going to be using strawberry jam, but you can use guava if you don't have any strawberry. So these are our eggs, and we need some lime zest. So we're going to use a grater. We're going to grate some of that green part of the lime in the egg. That's the lime zest. You don't want to get the white part in it, just the green part we need. And we're going to squeeze some of that lime juice in the egg. So now we're going to make our butter. We're going to get a pan, and we're going to sieve some flour. I'm going to leave all the ingredients that I use in the description below. So if I'm not telling you the amount of things that I'm using right now, I'm going to leave it in the description. So you can just check the description and you see the measurement of the ingredients. So we're going to sieve our flour because we don't want any lump to be in the flour. We want to get it refined. This is exactly why I sieve all the dry ingredients, guys. I don't want those lumps in it. So now we're gonna add all the ingredients to make our Easter bun. So guys, this is my bun pan. This is 9 inches, and as you can see, I have a grease paper in the bottom, and I'm now spraying my pan with some of my non-stick spray. Then I'm just gonna pour the ingredients into the pan. Remember, you don't want to fill your pan all the way up because it has in baking powder and it's going to be rising. It's going to rise, so you don't want to fill it all the way up. But I'm also just going to add some cherries and some fruits on the top because I like to see these pretty colors on the top of my bun. My oven is already preheated, and we're going to bake this bun at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, guys. 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, and my oven is already preheated, so I'm just gonna put my bun in the oven for 1 hour. So see you in the next 1 hour, guys. So here is my bun, guys. This is my bun after 1 hour. So I'm just going to be using some melted butter to just coat the top and side of the bun. And bear in mind, guys, you got to coat your bun while it's hot, because we're gonna put it back in the pan. Then we're gonna use some foil paper to cover it to get it moist. You're gonna trap that heat inside the pan to get the bun moist. So we're gonna cover it with some foil paper so we can trap the heat in the pan to get the bun moist and soft. And after the bun is cool, this is my Easter bun, guys. I am so proud of myself. I have never ever baked Easter bun. This is my first time baking Easter bun, and it came out beautiful, guys. So if you would like to try, My ingredients, I'm going to leave it in the description box below, so please go ahead and try it and tell me what you think about my Easter bun. I'm going to cut it now, guys, for you guys to see inside. Yeah, this is my Easter bun, guys. I am so proud of myself, so proud. This is my first time trying to bake Easter bun, and it came out well. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. Share with your friend, your brother, your sister. Thank you.